Has anyone ever wondered why efficient data extraction and reporting is crucial in the world of marketing? Well, in the grand scheme of things, it's like the engine that keeps the marketing machine running smoothly. Without it, decisions would be based on guesswork and intuition rather than on solid, reliable data. But how exactly can one achieve this efficiency? Enter Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm that has developed a unique solution to this problem. With a wealth of experience, Blackcoffer has helped numerous Fortune 500 corporations, technology firms, professional services companies, and financial institutions. This solution revolves around the use of three key tools: the LSA API, SendGrid, and Heroku. The LSA, or Local Search Ads API, is used to extract the necessary data. This data is then cleaned and disposed of if not needed, ensuring that only the most relevant and useful information is retained. But it's not enough just to have the data, it has to be delivered as well. This is where SendGrid comes in. This service is used to send the data in the form of a daily report to the client's email. But how does this process run smoothly every single day? This is achieved through deployment to Heroku, a cloud platform that allows the script to run every morning. The data is collected only for the companies that are not marked in red in the missed messages notification automation master file sheet. The result? A working, automated tool that runs every morning and sends a report to the client. So what does this all mean? It means that Blackcoffer has developed a system that not only extracts the necessary data, but also sends it to the client in a clean, easy-to-read format. This is done automatically every single day, ensuring that the client always has the most up-to-date information at their fingertips. In summary, the importance of efficient data extraction and reporting in marketing cannot be overstated. Blackcoffer's solution, which utilizes the LSA API, SendGrid, and Heroku, offers a unique approach to this challenge. By automating the process and delivering clean, relevant data directly to the client, Blackcoffer is changing the game and setting a new standard in the industry. The benefits are clear: more efficient data extraction and reporting, less time spent on manual tasks, and more time to focus on what really matters, making informed decisions based on reliable data. So next time you're pondering the importance of efficient data extraction and reporting in marketing, remember Blackcoffer's solution. It's a game changer.